Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we take you inside the most exclusive luxury homes in the world. Today, we're not just touring a mansion. We're stepping onto a private island paradise in the heart of the Florida Keys. This is T-Table Key, a breathtaking 15-acre private estate located just minutes from Islamorada, and listed at an incredible $29.5 million. From the moment you arrive, you realize, this is something truly special. Imagine flying in by helicopter from Miami, just 25 minutes away, and landing on your own private island. Or cruising in by boat, pulling up to your private dock, surrounded by crystal clear turquoise water. And the best part, even though you feel completely off the grid, you're still just minutes away from world-class dining, shopping, and entertainment. This is what true luxury feels like. As we step onto the property, take a look around. Lush tropical landscaping, swaying palm trees, and uninterrupted ocean views in every direction. Directly across the water, you'll spot the iconic Alligator Reef Lighthouse, adding a historic and scenic backdrop that makes this estate even more unique. And if you love nature, this place is unreal. Picture pelicans diving into the water at sunrise, herons gliding across the shoreline, and eagles soaring overhead. This isn't just a home. It's a front row seat to nature. Now let's head inside this stunning residence. The home features 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, with over 3,000 square feet of beautifully designed living space. As you walk through the main entrance, you're greeted by a bright, open layout with large windows that flood the space with natural light. Every room is designed to capture those incredible ocean views. The living room is both elegant and comfortable, perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing after a long day in paradise. High-end finishes, modern design, and a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. Moving into the kitchen, this is where luxury meets functionality. You've got premium appliances, sleek cabinetry, and plenty of space to host family and friends. Whether you're preparing a casual breakfast or a 5-star dinner, this kitchen delivers. And right next to it, the dining area offers the perfect setting for unforgettable meals, all with a view of the ocean. Now let's check out the bedrooms. Each bedroom is designed as a private retreat, offering comfort, privacy, and stunning views. Wake up every morning to the sound of waves, and step outside to your own piece of paradise. The bathrooms, pure luxury. Think spa-like design, modern fixtures, and a peaceful atmosphere that makes every day feel like a vacation. But what really sets this property apart is what's outside. Step out onto the grounds, and you'll see just how much space and potential this island offers. There's a private tennis court, perfect for staying active while enjoying the outdoors. Multiple lounging areas where you can soak in the sun, or unwind under the stars. And of course, direct access to the water for boating, fishing, or simply exploring the beauty of the Florida Keys. This property isn't just about what's already here. It's also about what it could become. With over 15 acres of land, T-Table Key offers endless possibilities to create your dream estate. Expand the existing home, build additional structures, or design a completely new luxury compound. Opportunities like this are incredibly rare, especially in a location this desirable. And let's talk about convenience. Despite its total privacy, this island is surprisingly accessible. You're just 90 minutes from Miami International Airport, making it easy to travel in and out. So whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a vacation home, or a long-term investment, this property checks every box. This is more than just real estate. This is a lifestyle, a place where you can disconnect from the world, and reconnect with what truly matters. Peace, privacy, and unparalleled beauty. If you're interested in this property, or any luxury real estate in South Florida, make sure to reach out to Jonathan Vega using the contact information below. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible homes just like this. This has been American Dream Mansions, and we'll see you in the next one. Fire.